Welcome, Khush Aamdeed, Swagatam and Bienvenida. This is now showing and I am Atika Farooqi. उम्र दराज मांग के लाए थे 4 दिन, 2 आरज़ू में कट रहे हैं और 2 इंतजार में। कब जाएंगे ये कोविड भाई साहब? अब तो बस मास्क से ही मोहब्बत कीजिए, ये इश्क की तरह जान देगा भी और लेगा भी। Why am I talking like this? I shot for a new Bollywood channel, Colors Cineplex Bollywood, by the same network. Anyway, I will show you the glimpse of that channel at the end of the show. But first, let's talk movies.
Parineeti Chopra delivers a smashing performance in Saina Nehwal biopic Saina, directed by Amol Gupte. Paglet is a beautiful slice of life film, comes loaded with some fine performances. Tiger Shroff talks about the tigress that he loves. And Suraj Dooba Hai fame singer Amal Malik talks about his music process.
In the 90s, I clearly remember 2 films released with the women as their heroes, Damini and Tejaswini. It was a time when sexism and male gaze in the Hindi movies was at its worst. These 2 films with Vijay Shanti and Meenakshi Seshadri changed the way little girls envisaged their future personalities. Saina is a similar film, with no scripted drama. It wants to teach you something, not just entertain you. It celebrates daughters, parent-child relationship and life with a goal. Saina Nehwal, former world #1 badminton player, she has won over 24 international titles, which include 11 Super Series titles too. She has represented India 3 times at the Olympics. Directed by Amol Gupte, who incidentally acted very well in the film Mumbai Saga too, this film does not have a very unpredictable storyline or even a very authentic sports film's look. Linear in storytelling, Saina tells the incidents as they happened in Saina Nehwal's life. Backed by stellar performances, though, by Meghna Malik and Parineeti Chopra too, it's like reading a motivating biography of a sports star as a book. Not trying to be very melodramatic or histrionic, most of the predicaments come from simple things like the limitations of a middle-class life, sweetness of a self-dependent nuclear family where the mother is a powerful member. It's mostly Parineeti who gets to benefit from the script as it gives her a big field to play on.
Congratulations.
Alongside her, badminton coach Ishan Naqvi, who incidentally plays her future husband Kashyap in the film, shows some really cool badminton moves when he gets the camera. Best described as a girl's rise to international sports, Saina is not a brilliantly shot, high adrenaline film such as Dangal Chak Dewa, but a decent film. The scale in cinematography is missing and the attention to detail as a sports film is also unexploited. But nonetheless, it is an emotionally evocative story that must be watched, especially by young people. Now, Paglet. Synonyms are ahmaq, bewakoof, kambakht. Matlab ki thoda. There are films made for the masses with an intent to earn money. Then there are films made to talk about life. To encapsulate one's growing years in B-cities with a few stereotypes and lots of middle-class customs that one wants to stitch into a movie aimed at telling the world what must be changed now. Director Umesh Bisht beautifully captures the world of second-tier towns. The storyline of Paglet is so interesting and so cute that I had a smile on my face throughout. A girl just widowed does not feel the pain of losing a spouse. We clearly don't know why, but as the story progresses, we know that a marriage may not be the best love affair one can have.
Facebook से पता चला यार 235 comments हैं.
After Ram Prasad Ki Tervi, this is another slice of life film, subtle family drama set in Lucknow in a house called Shanti Kunj. A woman played by immensely talented Sania Malhotra is surrounded by her in-laws, parents, a friend and people's intent change when they know that their son made his wife the beneficiary of 50 lakhs in the event of his demise. Ah, what a plot! पैसा खुदा नहीं मगर खुदा की कसम उससे कम भी नहीं, ये सुनते आए थे लोगों से. पैसा कैसे रिश्ते बदलता है, ये खेल Paglet में देखिए. In the process, the girl discovers who is her real well-wisher and who is she amidst everybody. What she wants in life. अगर हम अपने फैसले खुद नहीं करेंगे तो कोई दूसरा हमारे लिए फैसले करेगा. She says. The world is real. All you people raised in B cities will love this film.
शायद घर का पैसा घर में ही रहे.
Also, the chachas and the tayas, played by stalwarts like Ashutosh Rana, Raghuveer Yadav, Sheba Chadda, Sayani Gupta, Rajesh Tailang, Jameel Khan and Shruti Sharma are so endearing that you thank this phase that prefers actors over stars in casting. A woman who leaves her husband, lives with her son, another who worships her husband, children growing out of their bounds because of rising hormones, father who still lives by Gandhian principles, a mother worried about the marriage of her 2 more daughters. These are real people, you see, and their genuine problems. The plot is great, keeping you invested. The performances are flawless, direction by Umesh is very realistic, and the impact of the film will remain with you for a long time. On the other side, the film must have been tighter, sharper, and could have gotten away with probably 25 minutes. If you like meaningful cinema which resonates with you, try Paglet.
अगर हम अपने फैसले खुद नहीं लेंगे ना तो दूसरे ले लेंगे.
शेर सुनिएगा. तू इंसान है दरख्त नहीं पेड़, तू इंसान है दरख्त नहीं तो क्यों खड़ा चौराहों पे, तू सब्र नहीं तू मौज है किनारा कर किनारों से, तू आसमां का शुक्र कर समंदरों से बात कर, जमीन को लेके हाथ में तू अब हवा के साथ चल, तू इंसान है दरख्त नहीं. आदाब. मेरा शेर है और किसके लिए है? सानिया मल्होत्रा, साइना नेहवाल, परिणीति चोपड़ा और उन सारी बेटियों के लिए जो अपनी जिंदगी अपनी शर्तों पर जी रही हैं. Anyway, now we have Jai Hemant. Gone? Tiger Shroff. Tiger, on his paternal side, he's of Gujarati and Turkmen ancestry, and from his maternal side, he's of Bengali and Belgian descent. Shroff is a devout devotee of Lord Shiv and has attributed his physique to Lord Shiva. Many years ago, when his producer mother, Aisha Shroff, lost money in films, he watched his house being sold, his favorite belongings being sold. Years later, trained as a martial artist, he started his movie career in 2014 and is now one of the highest paid actors. You are surrounded by this whole coterie of people. That's how industry works. वो आपको एक खास बातें बताते हैं. एक इमेज बिल्डिंग एक चीज़ है. दुनिया से कनेक्ट जो है वो कभी-कभी छूटने लगता है. आप रियलिटी चेक कैसे करते हैं?
मैं बहुत एंटी सोशल हूँ और मैं अपना लाइफ को बहुत सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ. इन दैट यू नो आई जस्ट फॉर मी इट्स वर्क होम स्लीप, वर्क होम स्लीप. तो इससे ज़्यादा मेरा कुछ है ही नहीं. You know, I'm not much into partying. I'm not much into, you know, they say you should go and meet people and socialize, but I can't do that because I'm very awkward at these social gatherings. But yeah, so I try and simplify my life as much as possible.
बम्बैया हिंदी बोलते हैं आप, डैडी की तरह?
डैडी की तरह. उन्हीं का बेटा हूँ मैं तो यार.
अच्छा, with your father, Tiger, he comes with 40 years of experience in this industry.
Yes.
Failures, losses, success, glamour, everything. Your mother was a producer, is a producer, herself a very accomplished woman, smart woman. घर में बातचीत क्या होती है?
You know, अफसोस की बात है पर ज़्यादा मौका नहीं मिलता है वक्त बिताने के लिए एक दूसरे के साथ. तो you know, it's always on the go.
अच्छा.
So I briefly see my parents in the morning before leaving for work, but जब भी मौका मिलता है we go out for lunch or dinner. But it's been a while. But we always talk about how's work going. They always ask me, so how was shoot today? What did you do? This, that. मैं जानबूझकर जितना हो सके कोशिश करता हूँ to just keep them away from my career because every time they see my films, I want them to be pleasantly surprised.
अच्छा.
And feel like, you know, कि यार we didn't expect this, we didn't expect that. So, that's my goal. Really.
अच्छा चलिए छोड़िए, ये तो बड़ा पुराना सवाल हो गया कि आपने अपने फादर से क्या सीखा. Tell me, आपने जैकी श्रॉफ जी से क्या नहीं सीखा?
Wow, that's a good question. What have I not learned from Dad? I can never be as cool and as bindas as him.
और आपने अपनी माँ से क्या सीखा है? She's a very sharp woman.
सीखा है. मेरी मॉम बहुत सिस्टमैटिक, बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, बहुत नीट क्लीन फ्रीक है. तो you know, like her, she has a discipline in that, and I guess I got my discipline from her.
Discipline.
So discipline, yeah.
Okay. क्या ये सच है कि आपने एक टाइग्रेस को अडॉप्ट किया है? Is it on the?
Yes,
it is on
yes.
the internet.
नागपुर में एक टाइग्रेस ली नाम है, and I had adopted this tigress a long time ago. since my first film. Yeah.
Really?
Especially because the whole endangered species and and back then it was worse. So yeah, they were on the brink of extinction.
Dance forms जो आपको लगता है सबको जरूर सीखने चाहिए.
Bollywood, freestyle. I like breakdancing, so I'm going to say breakdancing.
Yeah.
I think that covers quite a few styles, Bollywood and all. Bollywood के अंदर काफी styles आते हैं.
Yeah. 3 must food habits which everyone must follow.
Don't have too many gaps in between your meals because it creates acidity and it's not good for your metabolic rate. Hydrate as much as you can. Try not eating carbohydrates at night.
At night after
Yeah,
7 p.m.
After 7 p.m. Yeah.
Okay. आपके अंदर कोई एक ऐसी बात या आदत जो आप चाहते हैं ये चली जाए?
मैं अपने आप से खुश नहीं हूँ. मुझे कभी मैं अपने आप को कभी शाबाशी नहीं करता हूँ या शाबाशी नहीं देता हूँ. I'm very hard on myself, so I feel like sometimes I should go a little easier and be happy of what I've done or I can do.
तो अगर शाबाशी देंगे तो क्या देंगे अपने आप को? Like a watch or a holiday? क्या अपने आप को इनाम देना पसंद करेंगे?
Ice cream. I love ice cream.
अपनी डाइटिशियन के ऑर्डर्स के खिलाफ
Exactly.
जाकर.
उनके खिलाफ जाऊंगा.
As an actor, as a performer, how do you deal with and fight criticism?
Well, I welcome criticism because I want growth. I told you, I'm very hungry. I'm very बहुत लालच है, सीखने का बहुत लालच है.
आपका पैशन है मार्शल आर्ट्स और आपने अपना बहुत वक्त और एनर्जी उसकी तरफ डिवोट की है. आपकी पर्सनालिटी में क्या चेंजेस आए मार्शल आर्ट्स की वजह से?
Learned how to channelize my energy and just discipline myself. I've learned to channel, my thoughts and my physicality and sort of make them one.
और आप इतनी रिगरस एक्टिविटीज करते रहते हैं. स्पिरिचुअल एक्टिविटी जो आपके दिमाग को सुकून दे वो क्या करते हैं?
मेडिटेशन करता हूँ मैं.
या
प्राणायाम करता हूँ मैं. Yeah, that's it.
हर लड़की को सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए 2-3 चीजें क्या जरूर सीखनी चाहिए?
I think was awareness or being aware of situations and the right decisions, making the right decisions at the right time, knowing who your friends are, knowing your circle, knowing the place you're at, and you should have trustworthy people around you at all times, really.
But that is something internal, ना टाइगर.
Yeah.
एक्सटर्नल भी करना पड़ता है, अपनी बॉडी को ट्रेन करना पड़ता है to fight.
I think obviously learning martial arts to empower yourself and to feel a high self-esteem and high confidence.
अक्सर ऐसा होता है और आपके साथ भी हो चुका है कि आपके फादर और आपकी फिल्म एक ही तारीख को रिलीज होगी. हो चुकी है शायद once in the past, isn't it? What is
Actually,
a
मेरी
joke that
पहली फिल्म हीरोपंती, उनकी एक फिल्म आई थी कोचा डयान करके रजनीकांत
कोचा
जी
डयान.
के साथ. तो yeah, so there was no joke, but from that day onwards competition began at home.
ग्रोइंग इयर्स में आपके फादर की वो कौन सी फिल्म थी जिसने आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को शेप किया?
I think Parinda. I think that was one of the turning points in my father's career. He was fantastic in that film. और obviously Hero तो बहुत मेरी favorite film है उनकी. तो
Okay. And what do you want to be known as? What is the best brand that you want to carry? एक सेंटेंस में कि ये इस चीज के लिए जाना जाता है.
I just want to be a hero who can touch as many people as possible and who can, connect with as many people as possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Show me a dance move.
Show your dance move. I don't dance for free anymore, sorry. Yeah.
A short break. After that, Amal Malik, the music man, Suraj Duba hai yaro, and Ladki Beautiful kar gayi tada 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 tada. At a young age, he composes these super hit tracks. How? We'll ask him. Welcome back. I'm Atika Farooqi. चल वहाँ जाते हैं हम वहाँ जाते हैं and बेसब्रियाँ. I love these songs. So did you. Singer, composer, lyricist Amal Malik, who is also the grandson of legendary music director Sardar Malik. Amal has been working in the music industry for the last 15 years and has been composing music for films like Salman Khan's Jai Ho, Kapoor and Sons, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, and has given some very popular songs like Suraj Duba Hai, Main Hoon Hero Tera, Kar Gayi Chul, वगैरह वगैरह. The 30-year-old singer-composer has been a part of more than 30 films. Amal, who has also composed music and the background score of this week's release, Saina, reveals the place where he prefers to write antaras for some of his super hit songs in this interview with my colleague Vishal Chatkara.
खुशी को और दर्दों को मैं अपना समझता हूँ तू मुस्कुराए दिल यही चाहे डरने की है नहीं अब कोई बात मैं हूँ ना तेरे साथ
Amal, your latest musical offering, Saina.
Yes.
This is called Saina Nehwal biopic is out. And this is the first time we have not just composed the music of the film, but also the background score.
Yes.
You also said in one of your earlier interviews that this is your purest work, one of your purest work.
I feel the captain of the ship is really responsible, to get out good music from the artist, whether it's the singer or the composer, anyone in the film. I think the involvement which is there by, in Dhoni, Neeraj Pandey's time and Amol Gupte's time in Saina, the sheer involvement and, loving that relationship, between the director and the composer. If it's this beautiful, then I think music also resonates with that. It comes out to be pure. And I feel it's my purest because somewhere there was no referencing in this score. There was nothing which was told to me to ape any of my previous hits. मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं मुझे दास्तां बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं मुझे दास्तां बनना है.
You've been working in this industry from last more than 15 years.
Yes.
If you were a music instrument, what would that be and why?
I think I would only be a piano. That's the instrument I love. And somewhere in my life, I am always black or white and I'm not grey. So the piano defines me the best.
You're somebody who's very, very passionate about music and creating music. And you have said that, you can be difficult at times with lyricists and with singers. What do you mean by being difficult? Does it mean throwing things at them or rejecting?
Only on my brother, though. I throw things because I feel, I don't make it difficult, but I stand for what I need and I don't budge from that. I understand music is not made by one person. It's made by a group of talented people together. What a composer has lived for almost a year or two, a singer cannot do that in 2-3 hours. That's why I don't even put that pressure on my singers. I send them my song a week or 10 days before the recording. Some songs need that effort, need that investment from the singer. Only then they become songs for years or maybe, for generations to stay. So my fight, I would say I fight a lot with Arman. That's because he's my brother and I get to do that with him. But that's because I know he's capable of even more.
We often heard musicians and music composers go to Goa or to mountains to create music, while Amal Malik goes to restroom to create some magical numbers. Is it true?
Actually, even I go to Goa. I also go to the mountains. I feel it's important for every musician to travel. But when it comes to lyrics or like cracking an antra, a lot of people expect the second stanza of my songs to be better than the first. When I was doing Bol Do Na Zara, I had finished the whole starting, the Itni Mohabbat and Bol Do, all that had come. But I was not able to create the antra. So after 20 days, I was in a hotel in Delhi. I was supposed to go for a show from there. And I've made a call to Yash and I told him, bro, I'm not coming right now because mujhe tune aa rahi hai. I always say that, tune aa rahi, kahan se aa rahi, we don't know. So I was there and I locked myself in the bathroom. He managed to run up because no one else was interested to come and, disturb me then. He said, bro, what are you doing? You need to leave. 15 minutes he didn't hear from me. I came out and I just looked at him and I sang, Hamari kami tumko mehsoos hogi bhiga de. And it happened. And same had happened with Salamat, which was from Sarabjit. Dar hai tujhe main kho na do. All these parts have come to me while I'm either showering or thinking or, giving those 15 minutes to myself, which also is very important for the artist to be isolated. Teno itna main pyar kara, ek pal vich sawa kara, tu jaave je mainu chhad ke मौत दा इंतजार कर। मैं तो तेरे रंग में रंग चुका हूँ, बस तेरा बन चुका हूँ, मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, सब तेरा। मैं तो तेरे ढंग में ढल चुका हूँ, बस तेरा बन चुका हूँ, मेरा मुझ में कुछ भी नहीं, सब तेरा, सब तेरा।
All right, so we have a new Hindi movie channel, by the way, coming up from 1st of April called Colors Cineplex Bollywood. जिस देश में लोग हर काम फिल्मों को देखकर करते हैं, रीति रिवाज, कपड़े पहनने का सलीका, बातों में वही जुमले, शादियों की रस्में, रोमांस, love for action and adventure. This channel is just what you have been living all your life. क्योंकि Bollywood hit है. I say goodbye. You enjoy this.
बॉलीवुड ने बनाया हमें जीरो से हीरो। गुस्से में हम उसी की तरह लाख घुसे चलाते हैं और सपनों में भी बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां उड़ाते हैं। उसका स्टाइल हमारा फैशन बन गया, उसके ख्वाबों में जीना हमारा पैशन बन गया। हर सदी में उसने हमें दिए नए नए कलाकार जिनसे हमें प्यार हो गया। बाय गॉड, मल्टीपल बार। 1 अप्रैल से आ रहा है नया हिंदी मूवी चैनल कलर्स सिनेप्लेक्स बॉलीवुड, क्योंकि बॉलीवुड हिट है।